Bryson, I can see moths, bugs, God knows what in that sloth's hair.
There's an entire ecosystem in their fur. There's a moth called the sloth moth that only lives on the back of a sloth.
The sloth moth?
The sloth moth, the sloth algae. There's a dung beetle that hangs out on the fur as well. And when they go down, it lays its eggs in the sloth dung. There's a whole world on the back of a sloth.
That's so cool. You said they swim.
Yeah, they do.
What happens to everyone who's hitching a ride?
They'll swarm around their head a lot of times.
Yeah.
And the beetles seem to do okay in the water, and the moths will kind of fly around.
Yeah.
Once the sloth comes out, they'll all land right back on them.
He's the Noah's Ark.
The Noah's Ark.